Hello, Matthias. Sorry I arrived late, but well, very interesting. The part I got. I have done this kind of analysis to the basis, just pulling one of the threads. I mean, I don't know, one of the topics, one of the concepts. I had the impression of always that I got to the essence just by looking through one of the lenses. So I was wondering if the reality is that the essence of each one of the stories that you were analyzing through different glasses were very different among them, or you can pull in different threads. I don't know, love or desire, or you got something very similar or kind of similar each time about the stories themselves.
It was clear, Matthias?
Yes, I understood it. Well, yeah, first of all, yes, maybe there is an essence in the story. I don't know if there is, but yeah, maybe there is a main idea. And the different conceptual interpretations, I think they kind of point to the same thing, after all. Even if each conceptual analysis just deals with one aspect of the story, in the end, I do not think that they contradict each other. So if we have 6 concepts for one story, I think that they go together. I don't think that they contradict each other. I think that they can work together.
I would say also, I don't know if there is an essence of the story, but in a way to use different concept and to produce different interpretation, I think is a way to look the same story from different perspectives. So in a way, it's like when you try to describe a city by looking at the city from the city center or maybe from the hill that is near the city. You're speaking about the same city, but you are pointing out different elements, different characteristics of the city. So in a way, I like the idea that put together different perspectives help you to I don't know, reach the answers, but to get more near, like a more essential comprehension of the story.